to my channel. Since last class we've been discussing LMIA and we have typed all the types of LMIA. Today we're going to discuss what is high and low wage positions, primary and agriculture position, and other categories. Without wasting much time, let us get into today's topic: high and low wage position for LMIA work permit. So before starting this class, let me tell you that please do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Hit the bell button for immediate notification and share my videos among your friends who's looking for Canada immigration or other immigrations too. So without wasting much time, let us get into today's topic: hire temporary foreign workers in a high wage or low wages. The wage being offered the position will determine if you need to apply for a labor market impact assessment under the streams for high wage position or streams for low wage position, each with their own requirement. If you are offering a wages to temporary foreign workers 10, that is at or above that provincial territorial median highly wage, you must apply under the streams of high wage position. Below the provincial or territory meridian hourly wages, you must apply under the streams for low wage positions. So Alberta meridian hours wages period with April 30th 2022 and meridian hourly wages as April 30 2022. Alberta low wages is 27.28 CAD, that is Canadian dollar, to a high wages 28, and British Columbia 25, Manitoba 21, New Brunswick 20, Newfoundland and Labrador it is 23, Northwest Territories 34 rupees 34.36 CAD, Nova Scotia 20 CAD, Nunavut 32, Ontario 24.04 and Prince Edward Island 20 CAD, Quebec 23 CAD, Saskatchewan 24 CAD, Yukon is 30 CAD. So as you know, wages rates in column 2 are based on statistics Canada Labour Force survey 2019. That's 1 year average. This is about low wage and high wage statistics. Let's move on to primary agriculture. Like primary agriculture position, hiring temporary foreigner culture works in occupations and activities related to primary agriculture. Primary agriculture is defined as a work duties that must be performed within the boundaries of a farm, nursery or a greenhouse, involve at least one activity such as operations of agricultural machineries on boarding, care, breeding, sanitizations or other handling of animals other than fish, or for purpose of obtaining raw animal products for market and collections, handling, assessment of those raw products, or the planting, care, harvesting or preparation of crops and tree, sod or other plants for market. And the national occupation classifications, that is NOC, NOC code is 0821, 0822, 0852, 0855, 5431, 8432 and 8611. Temporary foreign agriculture workers is a seasonal agriculture work program. Temporary foreign workers must be from Mexico or the particularly Caribbean countries. Producing must be included on the northern commodities list. Agriculture streams, temporary foreigners workers can be from any country. Productions must be included on national commodity list. And stream for high wage positions, production is not included on national commodities like temporary foreign workers can be hired for high wages agriculture positions. Streams low wages positions is productions is not included as national commodities list. Temporary foreign workers can be hired low wage agriculture positions. Next one is applications to support permanent resident. So hire skilled workers to support their permanent residence overview. That is, we have a lengthy process like federal skill program FSWP. That is, the employer must be offering a job and a higher skilled position such as management and professional scientist, scientific, technical or trade occupations, national occupational skill 0 and skill level AB, full time hours and minimum 30 hours of work per week, last 1 year, at least 1 year, and non seasonal position. Federal trade program, that is FSTP, the employer must be offering a job and eligible skill, trade and technical occupations. We'll discuss this later. Full time hours, a minimum 30 hours of work per week and at least 1 year. So Canadian experience, CEC, the employer must be offering a job for highly skilled positions such as management professionals, scientific, technical and trade occupation, national occupational classifications, NOC skill type 0 and skill type AB, full time hours, minimum 30 hours per week. So that we already discussed. Employers are not eligible to make offer to foreign workers under these immigrations program if they are an embassy, high commissions or consulate in Canada, and the list of ineligible employee maintained by IRCC, new and have not been a business for minimum 1 year or higher, hiring workers who intend to reside in province of Quebec. For information of Quebec Skilled Worker Program, Consulate of Ministry of Immigration translations available in French only. Employer who wish to hire skilled foreign workers through one of these immigration programs may also wanted to hire these workers temporarily while their applications for permanent resident is being processed by IRCC. As a result, employer can apply for the dual intent labor market impact assessment with a request paying the processing fees. This dual intent IMIA can be used to support the foreign nationals' applications to IRCC for a permanent resident visa and temporary work permit. As of April 4, 2022, employers submitting LMIA applications, high wage position, may request an employment durations of 3 years. The employment durations must align with the employer's reasonable employment needs. High wage positions including the global talent streams, high wage streams including caregiver position, agriculture streams and express entry. The duration may be issued for longer in exceptional circumstances whereby the employer provides an adequate rationable. Employers awaiting a decision who wish to modify their durations in their LMI applications may contact the employee contact center or the applicable service Canada process center. So that is for the temporary work, PR, permanent resident permit. Next one is global talent stream. Hire a top foreign talent through the global talent stream. That is the temporary foreign workers programs intended to use to when you are facing a short-term skills and labor shortage, and only when no Canadians and permanent residents are available. The global talent streams offers timely, responsive and predictable client focused service to help you access highly skilled global talent to expand your workforce here in Canada and to be competitive on global scale. The schemes, which is a part of the temporary foreign worker program, is designed for innovative firms in Canada that are referred to Employment and Social Development Canada by designated referral partners, and that need unique and specialized foreign national in order to scale up and grow. It is also intended for firms in Canada that need to fill an in demand highly skilled positions on global talent occupations list. We will discuss that in detail. If you hire a work through the global talent streams, you must develop a labor market benefits plans that demonstrates your employer specific commitments to activities that will have a lasting positive impacts on the Canadian labor market. Progress reviews on your plan will be conducted annually to assess how how will you are meeting your commitments. In this global talent category, language of work, English, French are the only language you can identify as a job requirement in your applications and job advertisement. However, if another language is essential for job, you must provide a justification on the applications. Position with no language requirement. There may be rare cases when an offer of employment does not require any language for the foreign nationals. If there is a no language requirement for the job, you must provide more details on the applications, including how the foreign national will perform job duties in effective and safe manner without the ability to communicate in any language, and reasonable measures are in the place to ensure health and safety of the person at the place of work. To demonstrate this, you must also provide applicable and appropriate documentations with your applications. Example of reasons measures are having a translated workplace safety manuals and procedures, and providing workplace safety training in the foreign nationals identified language, using international safety signs and use symbols, pictures, having official translations on site, or on employing other workers of superiors who can speak with their foreign nationals in their identified languages. That's the global talent occupations understanding. And we also understand the labor market benefits plan. That is, labor market is recruiters of anybody recruiting for the employees is someone who find an individual or foreign employment with the employer, or assignment another person in finding or attempting find an individual for employment with the employer, or referral foreign national to another person who attempts to find individual for employment with the employers. So that's a brief understanding of employment, labor market benefit plans, and progressive review. We'll do that later. So before you apply, you should understand various streams of hiring temporary foreign workers. We have been discussing that, and ensure that you know the program requirement and categories A, B, and the global talent streams, and ensure you want to apply through the global talent streams. If you are decided you wanted to apply under the different streams, you will need to cancel your original application and reapply under the new streams. Processing fees are not refunded and cannot be transferred to your new application. How to apply in LMIA applications portal, that we already discussed this part. How to sign up an LMIA application, job bank, everything. Apply on applications forms, the consulate talent streams applicant guide. This also we have discussed in detail. And then important notice, they have given the email ID and the contact details, toll free number, so you can call them directly and you can ask them if you have any suggestions, doubts, kind of. And at least how to create a global market global talent streams applications forms, the same way how we have created GC key, same thing. So that's all about the global talent streams. Now we'll move on to caregiver position. Caregiver seems to be very big process, so what I would do it, I'll take this as in a separate session, so that it will be useful for the people who are applying for the caregiver alone. So rather making it in this, it will be a confusion for you to understand complete process, like high and low wages and primary agriculture position and application to support permanent residency and global talent. Let caregiver position be in a separate video. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates, and share this videos among your friends, those who are looking for immigrations or work permit or LMIA process. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.